Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve this exponential math simplification, that is, if 2x square equals 72y square, so we have to find the value of x by y whole cube. So let's start with today's video solution. So here 2x square equals 72y square. So if I divide both sides by 2, so this will cancel out. So x square equal, this gives 36, 36y square. Now x square equal 36, I can write it as 6 square, y square. So x square equals 6y whole square we can write. So if we compare both sides, so x equals 6y. Now we have to find the value of x by y whole cube. So in place of x, I can write it as 6y by y whole cube. So this will cancel out. So what is left? 6 cube. That is 6 times 6 times 6, 216. So what is the value of x by y whole cube? 216. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.